This is part 3 from series of simple tunes for P-System chromatic button accordion. In this part, I show a very simple two-note Spanish tune called Sobre un Pino Verde. As in previous parts, sheet music with complete lyrics and fingering for both hands are included. Also, keyboard visualization is included for good reference. For this tune, we only need two notes, A, that is on third row, and G, that is on second row.